I have been a wrestling fan for as long as I could remember. My dad used to take me to the old WWE live shows that happened in my city. I even have these signed Randy Orton and John Cena posters to prove it. Around 2019, I discovered this promotion known as All Elite Wrestling, or AEW for short. Actually, there's a pretty funny story. I discovered the promotion because Kenny Omega dressed as Sans for Halloween, and after I saw that clip, I just started watching. Anyways, All Elite Wrestling was visiting the Bay Area for the first time. And not only were they having a live Dynamite, a live Rampage, and a pay-per-view at the Chase Center, but they also decided to host a charity bowling event for the fans. And I decided to vlog my experience with the wrestlers. Enjoy. Clip, show me another clip.
Oh, another clip?
Yeah, give me another clip. All right, guess his rank. Nice. Nice. Okay, 1v2, 1v2. 1v1. Damn! I guess the rank, guess the rank. And what's the rank? What's the rank?
Iron.
Iron, damn! How we feeling, Akira? Do you know anybody here?
No.
Dude, we are like, look at this. Look at this talent right behind us. It's actually kind of crazy. We're literally bowling right next to him. I'm like, actually, my mind is blown, bro. My mind is literally blown.
I think AEW's choice. Thank you very much for coming.
Let's see it, let's see it.
Whoa.
You got it, you pick these up. Ooh. NT.
Ah, it hurts. I haven't bowled in hella long. He picks these up. Oh!
Pre-game interview. Are you ready?
We're gonna strike this, and it's gonna be done so. 10 pins, 1 ball. Let's fuck.
Wasn't that bad?
Okay. First strike of the day.
What up? Is it recording?
It is recording.
Hello, vlog. Hello. We get the nice angles here.
That's not vlog crew. I'm just part of the vlog crew.
Yeah, only part of the vlog crew. What's your name?
My name's Ian, honorary member of the vlog crew.
There we go.
How you liking the Bay?
It's pretty cool. My food's here now, so I gotta go.
You're good, bro. Oh, I'm here with the Dark Order right now. Everybody here. I got a question. Can I join the Dark Order?
It's a vlog. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, we have to confer.
Okay, all right.
Cheddar. Rock and sound. Okay. All right. Okay. What's the answer? What's the verdict? You're in. Yes! You're in. I'm glad.
You may have strike last time, but you won't go back to back.
I do go back to back, bro. I'm the 2-time.
Oh, 2-time.
Oh, that looks good. Maybe not. Alright, here we go.
Oh! Down. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Little bit.
Yo, what's good, bro? What's good? We got, what's so fun? We got Yeet up in here. This is how we look. This is how we looking at the ski mask, bro. The reverse sweep. That was kind of bad.
It was pretty bad.
Yeah, right now we at bowling. I'm with my boy Ian, Isaiah, Ian, Double I. And how you like a bowling?
Well, it's hella fun. It's just seeing like all the wrestlers and everything. It's like it's surreal to me.
It's fun.
It's fun.
You want to see me bowl?
Yeah?
You want to see me bowl now? If you want to see me bowl, I need something from you though.
Well, what do you need?
I need a...
Oh yeah!
Woo! Now I'm about to get a strike out here, baby. Watch this. Watch this.
You pick these up, I'll kiss you.
Yeah. No lips.
I believe.
Oh shit.
Very nice. Very nice.
No kiss for you, no, no, no.
I don't got no one around me, only talking to the